Hello, tech enthusiasts. Have you ever thought about how the traditional bulky desktops are slowly becoming a thing of the past? Hello, tech enthusiasts. Have you ever thought about how the traditional bulky desktops are slowly becoming a thing of the past? Today, I'm diving into a game-changing innovation in computing, the PC cloud. Let's break it down. What exactly is PC cloud, you might ask? Unlike traditional PCs that store all your data and applications right on your local device, PC Cloud shifts this to remote servers. These servers are accessed over the internet, transforming how and where you can use your computing resources. Imagine having your entire PC environment in the cloud, accessible from anywhere at any time, from your laptop, tablet, or smartphone. Mind-blowing, right? Now let's talk scalability. With traditional PCs, you're stuck with whatever specs you purchased, be it RAM, storage, or CPU. But with PC Cloud, it's a whole different ballgame. Need more memory or more powerful processing capabilities? You can scale up your resources as needed and just as easily scale down when they're no longer